Good afternoon, Mr. Jamal.
Good afternoon, Abdurrahman. مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
How are you guys? How are you, Riyadh? I want to see
I'm
your
fine.
pictures. I want to see your photos. I want to see your face. I want to see your camera. Can I see your camera, please, guys? The first one is what? Magdi? How are you, Magdi?
Good, yeah, mister.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you, Magdi. Okay, well, I need another one. Who is this? Muhammad Hadi. How are you? How are you, Muhammad Hadi?
Alhamdulillah, mister.
Everything is okay? How are you, Ayed? Open your camera, Ayed. Ayed cannot open his camera. Yusuf Wael, how are you?
I'm fine, mister.
Okay, guys, I want to tell you one thing before we start here. I think here we have, this is the courses. I want to go to my programs. This is the geometry. No. We have a class here. The name of the class, grade 9 math male. Why you showed that for me, mister? Because I want to tell you about the class here. Okay? The class included these students only. Can you see the students, guys?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, mister, we can see
No,
that.
mister, I can't.
It is added from Mr. Hani, from the
No.
school. For what, I don't know. For the purchasing the book or for purchasing the bundle of the online resources, I don't know. If you didn't see your name here, you can call Mr. Hani or contact with him to ask him why my name is not added. To understand why, because I don't have any idea. Okay, guys?
Okay, Mr.
Mister, your screen is black.
What?
Your screen is black.
My screen is not shared?
No, Mr. It's shared. It's shared.
So what do you want,
No,
sir?
I can see it now. I can see it now. It was black.
Okay, can at the end of the period I'll give you anything you want, okay? Don't worry. But I have him.
Mr.
Yes,
Can you, at the end of the period, tell us what are the lessons for the exams?
you will receive the study guides to this night or tomorrow morning, inshallah.
Okay, Mr.
When are the
Okay?
exams?
In
Okay,
Placida,
guys?
mister?
I think yes. I think yes.
No,
Okay, guys.
sorry, Mr.
How can
I'm
we
late.
solve? How can we solve? Look at this question. Perpendicular distance. Find what?
Mr. New lesson or like
No,
last
just
time?
I want to explain one the point. How can you find the distance between two parallel lines? This is only the point which we didn't explain it last week. Okay, Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman, are you there?
Okay, Mr. Yes, Mr. I'm here.
Okay. Guys, I want to tell you how can you solve Look at the two lines. Can you see the lines here, guys? Line L and line M?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
The two lines have the equations respectively. This is the first one is the equation of the line L, and this is the equation of the line M. Can you see the line L and line M? Right. What can you do? Choose any point in any one of them. For example, I choose this point 2 and 1 on the line M. Then I'll use the other equation to replace it in the formula. So what is the point here, Abdul Rahman? It is 2 and 1. What is the equation which will use it? The equation of the line L. What is the equation of the line L here? It is y equals to x plus 1. Can I put it in the standard form, Abdul Rahman? Kareem, can I put it in the standard
Yes,
form?
Miss.
Yes, it is 2x. I'll transfer the y to the other side. It will be 2x minus y plus the 1 equals to 0. Now I can determine the values of a, b, and c. A is the coefficient of x. It is 2. B is the coefficient of y. It is negative 1. C is the constant or the free term is 1. What is the formula of the distance between the point and the line? This is the formula. Absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c over radical of a squared plus b squared. What is the a? It is here 2. What is the x1? The point which I choose it, the x coordinate is the x1. It is 2. So I put 2 multiply 2 plus b. What is the value of b? Negative 1. What is the value of y1? It is here 1. Plus c, the c is 1. Over radical a squared, it is 2 squared, guys. 4 plus b squared, it's negative 1 squared, it is 1. So the answer will be, after simplifying this on the calculator, it will be 1.79. Do you have any question?
No, Miss.
I am ready to answer any question from anyone. This is the equation, he gave it to you. We put it in the standard
Mister,
form.
can you pick any point on the
Yes, yes, of course. You can pick this point. What is the coordinates of this point? 3 and 3, mister? Yes, try it. If you want to check if I am talking correct or not, try it. Can I choose? But you have to choose a specific point. You can determine the coordinates of it, guys. For example, this is what? 1 and negative 1. Am I correct? Someone will say, mister, if I choose the point, how can I check if the coordinates are correct or not? Look at the equation here, guys. If you replace the x by 3 here, can you replace? Who can replace the x by 3? 2 times 3.
Sir, can you repeat this?
Yani if you choose a point like this, Kareem, 3 and 3, okay? How can you check the coordinates of this point are correct? Replace the x by 3 in the equation of this line. Can you replace it here, Kareem?
Yes.
2 times 3?
6.
Minus 3?
3.
So the y coordinate is what?
3.
So this point satisfying this line or not?
Yes.
Another point here, Kareem. Can you replace the x by 1?
Yes, so it will be 2 minus 3, it will be negative 1.
The same or
The
not?
y is also negative 1, yes.
For example, if I choose this point, what is the coordinates of this point?
Mister, but my question is how can I find the answer again? I'm confused a little bit.
How can you find what?
How can I solve and find the answer? Do I just fill the equation?
Oh, but you choose any point. By the way, I chose here the point, this point. Then, what is the equation of the other line? This one. Y equals 2x plus 1. It is here. Try to put it in the standard form. Why I try to put it in the standard form?
We can use the distance formula.
The values of A, B, and C.
Okay.
Then you can replace in the formula. Then you can find the distance between this point and this line. So the distance between this point and this line
so the answer from the distance formula is the answer for this one, yes?
For any one of them.
It's the answers in the choice, I mean.
Yes.
Okay.
Someone will say, Mister, this distance will be the same? Abdurrahman, can you answer this question for him? The one who is saying, if we found the distance
Yes.
from this point to this line, all these distance will be the
Will
same?
be the same.
Why?
Of course, mister.
Because
Why?
it's
Because
perpendicular.
they
They
are
are what?
perpendicular.
No.
Parallel. They are
Yes.
next to each other. Parallel.
Because the two lines are parallel. So the distance between the two lines at any point are what? Are constant. Doesn't it change? Like the distance between the two wheels in your car. It is different from one point to the other? No. Okay, guys?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give you a question, you will solve it by yourself. Here. Solve this one. This one I solved it. I took this equation and I put it in the standard form. How can I put it in the standard form, Riyadh? I multiplied it by 5. Why exactly you multiplied by 5? Because I have a problem here with the 5 in the denominator. So I multiplied all the equation, ya Muhannad, by 5. So it will be what, Riyadh? 5y, and you will multiply this by 5, it will be negative 2x, minus 7 times 5, it's 35. Can you put this equation in the standard form? Yes. Transfer the negative 2x to the other side, it will be 2x. Plus the 5y, plus the 35, you will transfer it to the other side to be a zero equation. What is the value of A? 2. What is the value of B? 5. What is the value of C? 35. Can I replace the values of A, B, and C in the formula? Yes. What is the formula? This is the formula. This is the formula for the distance between the point and line. After you replacing it, the answer will be 5.38. Okay, guys? Copy this or write this in the copybook. Then start to solve this one. Number 2. Do you have any question for number 1, guys?
I have a question, Mister.
Yes.
When will be the test? Which day?
What?
When will be the test, and can you tell us the lesson?
You are talking about the study guides.
Yes.
I think I answered this question before. You will receive it on Classera today or tomorrow morning. Okay?
Okay, sir.
But I'll give you the materials before you leave, okay?
Okay.
Remind me at the end of the period.
Mister, this lesson is included?
Yes.
Ya Rabbi.
Are you sad?
Yes, because I don't understand anything in it.
Like what you didn't understand it, yeah, Muhammad?
Like this question, number 2.
Number 1 or number 2?
Number 1. I don't know what you solved, Mr. Chol.
You didn't understand this, number 1?
Yes, number 1.
What did I do here?
You multiply. How?
Multiply by what?
Multiply by 1, okay.
You cannot see it? Multiply
Yes,
by what?
Where is it?
What is it?
5.38. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5. Okay, now I can see.
This is the final answer, ya Muhammad Hadi. This is
Multiply
the
by
final
5.
answer.
Multiply by 5.
Why you multiply this equation by 5?
I don't know.
Karim, tell him.
What did you say, Mister? I can't hear.
Mister, I know, mister.
Abdurrahman,
hear
can
you.
you explain it to him why you multiply this by 5?
So we can remove the fraction because it's negative 2 over 5. The 5 cancels the multiplies 5. It will
So
be
I have to
negative 2
multiply one
remaining.
term or all the equation?
Minus 2 over
All the equation.
6. It will be multiplied by 6, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
After you simplifying it, can you put it in the standard form?
Okay.
What is the standard form is?
Uh,
All the terms in one side equals to 0.
Yes.
So I'll transfer the negative 2x to the left side.
2x.
The 5y will stay in the left side. And the
Yes.
negative 35 will go to the left side. Equal
Okay.
to 0. What is the value of A?
The value of A, 2.
What is the value of B?
5.
What is the value of C?
35.
Can you replace in the formula of the distance between point and one line?
A2 plus
So
A2
the answer will be
2. One minute, so let me make sure.
just a minute, guys.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Okay, can we complete?
Yes, Mr.
Now, Muhammad Hadi, can you solve question number 2?
Yes.
Start to
So
solve it.
first, okay. So first, it's positive, so no need to multiply it by anything.
So
Then I will make it in the standard form. I will put all the things to the right. So minus 2. So the 2 will be minus 2, and the 10 will be minus
why
10.
you make the 2 negative? Yani try forever to make the coefficient of the x is positive. Can you
So
transfer the y to the other side?
Yes, to the right side. So it will be we will take y to the other side. It will be minus y. So
2x minus y plus 10
2x minus y plus 10
equal to 0.
Yes. Then
Go ahead and solve and give me the final answer.
Square plus b square equal
Assalamu alaikum. Have you finished and got the answer or not?
Yes, mister. The answer is 5.3. 5.4.
Kareem, Abdurrahman, Riyad, Muhannad. Is it correct?
Yes, Mr.
I think so. I don't know.
What did he say again?
5.4.
Mister, I don't have radical in my calculator, so I get 18 over radical 5.
18 over radical 5? Okay.
Yes.
You said 18 over
Radical 5.
Radical 5.
It's 8.4 or
Yes,
8.
mister.
I'll see if the answer is
Mr. What
correct.
question?
I'll show the questions for you. And this question?
Mr. Okay.
Yes, mister, number 2.
Number 2.
So number 2?
Mr. In question, Mr. I have a question. In
Yes.
question 3 and 4, there is no coordinates. How will we solve it?
Oh, very good. Excellent boy. For question 3 and 4, just a minute, Abdurrahman. Hello. عليكم السلام. يا أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. أيوة يا فندم أنا جمال. أيوة يا فندم. حاضر يا فندم. حاضر. Okay, Abdurrahman, how can you get any point? Which one you want to try to find the point on it?
3.
I think this is, you are talking about this one. You choose
Yes,
this,
Mr. And question 3.
choose this line to find the point on it.
Okay, Mr. Yes.
For example, put x equal to 0. What is the value of y? Replace the x equal to 0 in this equation which you choose this.
5.
It will be 5.
5.
So this is your point, 0 and 5.
Oh, just like this, Mr.
Like this, sir.
Like
This
every
is
time it will be 0?
the easiest one for you. Put the x equal to 0. Okay? This
Okay,
is
Mr.
x1 and this is y1. Right. From where you can get the a, b, and c? From the other equation, guys. Don't do this mistake. Some of the students found the point on this line and they choose the same line to find the a, b, and c. So what can you expect if you try to find the distance if you use this line for the point and the equation? What the distance will be, Abdurrahman?
The distance?
Yes. If you choose the point on this line and you want to find the distance from this point to that line, the distance will be 0. You know why? Because you choose the point on the line and the same line. So the distance will be 0. So if you use this equation to find the point, you have to use this one to find the other values. Okay? Now, choose the point 0 and 5 and the second equation to find the distance. Then give me the answer. Okay? Start.
Sir, can you remove the mouse?
What?
Mr. How this is wrong, number 2.
Yeah, Muhammad Hadi. Muhammad Hadi,
Yes.
you did anything wrong. So the answer is not the same.
So what, Mr. What is the formula? Yes, A2 plus B2 equals C2?
This one, you are talking about number 2?
Yes, yes.
Can you write it in the standard form?
Yes.
2x
2x plus
minus y
plus 10.
plus 10
Okay.
equals
0.
0.
Mr. So
What is the value? What is the value of a?
the value of A is 10. No, A, okay, A is 2. And
B,
Y is minus 1. B is
negative 1.
minus 1. And
And C
C is 10.
is 10.
Yes.
Then you have the
The,
value of A, B, and C, and you have the value of X and Y.
plus B square is
Replace it here, then find the distance. Abdurrahman, what is the standard form of this one? And number 3. Muhannad, can you write this equation in standard form? Muhannad, multiply it by what?
Yes, Mr.
Multiply it by what?
By 3.
Y by 3. Y by 3, Muhannad.
Mr. Can I continue?
Y by 3, Abdurrahman.
3y equal.
Okay, so it will be 3y. But my question is why you multiply it exactly by 3?
Because the fraction we have 3 in it, so we need to remove it.
Yes, very good, Abdurrahman. Now you understand it, Muhannad? Why exactly we multiply this equation by 3?
Yes, Mr.
So it will be
This is the formula?
3y minus x plus 8. Can you write it in the standard form, Muhannad?
No, Mr. Not plus 8.
Sorry, plus 24. Very good, Abdurrahman.
Plus 24.
Thank you, Abdurrahman. Plus 24. This is a human mistake. هاد الدمنهوري.
Yes, mister.
Can you write this equation in standard form?
Yes.
It will
X
be x
minus
plus
3y
3y
minus 24
minus 24
equals 0.
equals to 0. Now you have the equation or not? What is the value of A?
1.
1. What is the value of B?
3.
What is the value of C?
Negative 24.
Negative. Yusuf Rawas,
Yes, mister.
can you replace these values? This is the A, B, and C. And this is the point. Can you replace these values here to find the distance between the two lines or not?
Yes.
Do it.
So 1 multiply 0.
No, do it and give me the final answer.
Okay.
Muhammad Hadi,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes.
Huh? Can you use this formula to find the distance between the two lines or not?
No, not.
Mister, I found the answer.
Why you cannot, Muhammad?
Because I don't understand.
Because what?
I don't understand.
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. يا ابني, what is wrong with you today? يعني how many classes we explain it? يا محمد هادي, what is the value of A here, Muhammad? Solve it with me.
The value of A, 1.
Just a minute. Oh, Muhammad. Okay, you can replace. What is the value of A? It is 1. Times. What is the value of x1 here?
X1, 3, 0.
Plus. Yusuf Samaha complete. Muhammad Hadi, please concentrate with us. What is the value of B?
3.
Times. What is the value of Y?
5.
5. Riyadh, complete. Plus C. What is the value of C?
Mr. Riyad isn't here, he's traveling.
What?
Riyad is traveling.
Not there?
Mr. Riyad is traveling to Prague again.
Oh,
That's what he
travel.
told us. Yeah,
To where?
to Prague.
Prague.
Yes.
So he traveled today?
Yeah, today.
Only him or the family?
No, the family, of course, Mr.
Okay. Okay, complete, Yusuf. Radical A squared. What is the A here?
1.
1 squared is what?
1.
1. Plus B squared. What is the value of B?
9.
9. Ahmed Ali is there?
Who?
Ahmed Sharif.
Ali?
Ali Sharif.
I don't know. So I think last time when you asked him, he said he was having problems with his the app, but I don't know.
Okay, use the calculator to find this value. You don't know how to use the calculator, ya Muhammad Hadi?
I know.
1 times 0
Mister, I found it, yeah, mister.
plus 15 minus 24. Am I correct, Muhammad Hadi?
Yes, you are correct.
Radical what? 10. So what is the value up? 9 over radical 10. Can you find it by using calculator? This is the calculator,
Yes,
mister.
mister.
9
2.85.
divide 2.85
2.85.
by radical 10. Equals what?
2.85, Mr.
2.85.
2.85. Is it the same answer?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
It's correct.
Okay, start to solve number 4. Muhammad Hadi.
Yes, yes,
Now you understand it for the 10 times?
yes, yes.
How can you solve this, Muhammad
Mr.
Hadi?
Don't know.
Huh?
Mister, I don't know how to like make the ax plus, but I only understood the last two parts before the answer. Before,
Okay, I'll choose one to explain it from A to Z. I write the two equations down. Who can explain it to us? Y equals 4x minus 6. And the other equation is y equals 4x. Walid. Walid is there?
Yes, Mister.
Walid, can you solve it with us?
Okay.
Which one you will choose to find the point on it? This one or this one? This or this?
I
We need to
think
find the
Mister, you
point.
didn't write the 4
What?
in the first one. In the
It is 4.
first one, Mister, is 4x.
Are you sure?
yes, Mister.
Are you?
Okay, I'm sorry. I have a question here. Why I have to put the 4 for the coefficient of x? If I didn't put it, that means the two lines are not parallel. Why, mister? Because the slopes are not equal. If you put the 4 here, that means the slope here is 4 and here is 4. So they are parallel or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Yusuf, who is solving this one? Which one you will choose to find the point on it? This one? For example, if you put the x equals 0, what is the value of y?
It's 6. Negative
6
6.
or negative 6?
Negative 6.
Right. This is the point. Can we write this equation in the standard form? 4x
4x
minus
minus y
y.
equal.
Yes, Walid.
No, not
Minus
equal.
12
minus 12 equals 0.
equals to 0. So what is the value of A?
It's 4.
What is the value of B?
Negative 1.
What is the value of C?
Negative 12.
Can you solve it? By
Okay.
substituting in the formula? D equals what?
D absolute value 4
4
multiply by 0
multiply by 0
plus
plus
minus
plus,
or
right?
minus?
Plus at first. B is what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1
Negative 1 multiply by 6
multiply by 6. Plus
plus minus
negative
12.
12
Yes.
over
a to the power of 2 4 to the power of 2
16
and
1.
negative 1 to the power of 2
So
equal 4 wait.
what is the result? Up 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 12 it is 6 over radical
17.
What is the result of the radical 17? 6 of radical 17.
I think, Mister, it's
6 over radical 17
1.4.
equals 1.45.
Or one, yes, 45.
Same answer or not?
Huh? Why 1.46? Yes, 1.45.
Yes, you can round it.
Yes.
Okay. Write the answer in the copybook, guys. Muhammad Hadi, you still not understanding?
How I understood Mister, but why
Why
I
did you
got
multiply by 0?
Yes.
Mister, in the first step, when you get y equal 4x minus 6, so always the y is 0. In the first step.
The easiest point. You can choose x equals 1. You can choose x equals 2, 3, 4, 5, to infinity, or -1, or -2. But which one is the easiest one for you?
0.
To put the x equals 0. It is the y-intercept, by the way, Muhammad.
And it's the y-intercept. The minus 6 is the y-intercept.
Yes. Now you understand it, Muhammad, why I choose the
Yes,
0?
yes, I'm good now.
Any question, guys? I am ready to answer any question from anyone.
No, Mister, it's okay.
I think now it is easy. And how many questions we solved, Kareem, till now? Walid, how many questions we solved? Guys, I didn't ask you to
I
use
think four.
the method of the book, because the method of the book is very, very long and very complicated. Can you write it in the copybook?
Yes,
The
Mister.
equation is starting from here. Can we take another question? Or the period finished?
This
There
is
is
3 minutes left. Or
3 minutes.
Okay. I'll show you. The materials. Materials, يا شباب, materials. Can you see my screen or not?
Yes, we can.
Yes, Mister, we can see.
Yes, we can.
This is the inbox. Is it clear?
Yes, Mister.
Only, Mister, 4 lessons?
Yes.
Oh.
Only 4 lessons, معاذ بينك يا وليد. It's 4 lessons, not 1 or 2. 4. And it's hard.
No, Mister, because in JIS I get like 10 lessons.
Yes, also my school.
Tell
Mr.
them.
6 or 7
Can you
lessons.
repeat your words again, sir?
In my school JIS, this quarter exam, they give me like 10 lessons.
So what? We have to say what? Alhamdulillah or not?
Yes, Mister.
Muhammad Hadi, what is your opinion about that?
Yes, Mister. We got 11 lessons for the intern test. And for
Can you open your cameras, guys? Can you
the
open your
quarter
cameras?
test, Mister, we got about
Mister.
6 lessons.
Yes, Muhammad.
Yeah. Can you show me the lesson I want to write in my book?
Now you are waking up?
What? I was writing the lesson.
Wake up, يعني, huh? 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. From 1 to 5, except the 3, except the 2.
Mister, when the lesson will come?
What?
When the lesson will be the test, sorry.
Habibi, you will receive the study guides today or tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
In Coral, is there exemption?
In color is what?
Like in my old school, there was something like in the second semester you get exempted and you don't do all of the final exam. You can only do 2 or 3.
Can you repeat your question because I didn't hear you well?
In my old school, if you get like a very good grade in the report card, you only do 2 or 3 of the final exams.
Examined. You mean that? At the end
Yeah.
of the year, you are examined. You understand what does he said, guys?
Oh, mister.
What does
Yeah,
he say?
Yes,
mister, I
mister.
know
I
what
had
it
it in
is.
my last.
Yes, yes. But I think we don't have the same system in
So
Coral
what did you
Intelligence.
say?
No, there's nothing like this in Coral.
Mister, can I leave
Mister,
now?
the tests are gonna be online, right?
Aha! Who's talking? Show me your face.
Mister,
Show me your face.
Mister,
Yes, Abdul Karim. Yes, Karim.
I think the period finished.
That's all?
Yeah, mister, it finished 1 minute ago.
So you don't want to stay with me for 1 minute? Okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Please try to study day by day. Try to see the recorded classes
Mister,
immediately
if
after
there is
you
a lesson I
finish.
have a problem with, what should I do?
Which one?
No, if there is, what can I do then? If I am
Try to
studying back
solve
the
the
lessons?
questions from the book. Try to see the recorded classes at first to understand anything you didn't concentrate with me well. Then you can start to solve. If you face any problem, you can tell me in the next period, Mister, I didn't understand this, blah, blah, blah. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys. And sorry for
Bye, mister.
disturbing you, for making you late. Thank
No,
you.
mister,
See
it's
you
okay.
tomorrow,
Don't
inshallah.
worry.
Bye, Mr.
Bye, mister.
Thank you, Mr. Jamal.
Who is talking?